Hi, this is Saif here. Now, I'll be demonstrating a simple scenario. So, I would be multiplying rows using Java transformation. So, this is a flat file which I have only a single record. So, in my target table, I have want to have three occurrences of the same thing. So, let's try to use. I've already imported my source and target structure. What I'll do is I'll add a transformation called Java transformation. Let's say here I am duplicating. So it would be an active transformation because my number of records would be getting changed. So what I'll do is I'll bring in these two ports in my Java transformation. Let's go over here. Now what you need to do is copy and paste. Same way for this also, copy and paste. So this would be input port, this would be an output port. Same way this would be input and output port. Let's go to the properties tab and sorry, Java code tab. What I'll do is I'll go to the an input row. So let's remove this. Let's write a small for clause for integer of I, or we can write like this, for I equals to 0. Then what we will do is I is less than 3, and let's increment it I plus plus. Then oh, I'm sorry, and then the open braces and the close braces, and let's try to write the code over here. So id equals to this id, then it will go semicolon. Let's come over here, name1 equals to name. Let's come over here and let's use the API generate row. Where is generate row? Okay, it's here. Let's give a, I'm sorry, let's give a semicolon here as well. Compile your code. Oh, so it is telling I is less than 0, I plus plus, I is less than integer of I. Okay, so the compiler is giving me the code compiled successfully. Let's say okay. Now what I need to do is the output port, this is the id and this is the name. You need to connect to the target as a flat file. Save this. Your mapping is valid. Copy this name. Let's come over here and let's connect to the repository. Let's go to the videos and let's create a task, that is a session. Naming convention is underscore mapping name. Associate your mapping. What you can do is double click on this task, go to your mapping tab. Source is a flat file which is coming from your source as $pm source file directory. So this is good. And the target file path again would be $pm target file directory, and let's say my file name should be j1 underscore tgt dot txt. I'm sorry, txt. And what I'll do is I'll just set the file properties to the advanced. So I don't want any codes, the separation would be this. And what I'll do is I'll use a header command output to echo out my column names, that is id separated by name. Let's say okay. Let's save this. Let's execute this mapping. So this mapping is getting executed, successfully succeeded. So if you'll see, one record has been read, three records have been written. Let's go to that path and let's go target files. So I have this. So if you'll see, three records have been written. So thank you for watching this tutorial. So it was just a small tutorial wherein I am duplicating the records. We can do this with normalizer transformation as well. Stay tuned for my next tutorial. Thanking you. Take care.